Hello everyone, I am Radhika here. I'm from Bombay. My company's name is called as Intensify Intelligence. I just wanted to share my experience about mastermind training with Salma with all of you so that it can probably help you to really have a good experience with DMIT with Salma and Mind Master training. So, beginning with, I really had a great interaction with the entire team, right from sales to to the doctor to the owner, and with Salma. Once I was convinced with a lot of difficulties, I probably must have really spoken to them not less than about 20 times to be really sure of what I'm going to be doing and whether I'm going to be getting the right training or not. I did that, and I was once I was sure, I took the training, and trust me, I did not repent about it. And we normally do things, even if we have to buy the smallest thing, we really kind of check what we are really going to buy, and this is something which we're going to be dealing with people and human life, and we're going to be doing, and we're going to be suggesting people about their lives ahead. So it's very important that what we are learning and what we are getting from the source should be verified. So I really did that, and I really found it was absolutely 100% authentic. So I'm very happy about it that I've got this done, and from Mind Master, and especially really thanks to Salma, because she's been really sweet, and she's gone out of her way to to give me time and to kind of be able to give all the answers to my queries that I had. Yeah, thank you to Mind Master Training.